Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a blogger, looking to make your website look stunning without spending a dime, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 best free WordPress themes for blogs that are fast, customizable, and SEO friendly. Whether you're into tech, travel, food, or personal writing, these themes will make your blog look professional and perform like a pro. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell, so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Let's start with Astra. Astra is one of the most downloaded free themes in the WordPress repository, and honestly, it deserves the hype. What makes Astra such a great choice for bloggers is its speed and flexibility. It's incredibly lightweight, meaning your site will load fast, which is super important for SEO and user retention. One of the best features of Astra is its library of starter templates. Even in the free version, you get access to dozens of beautiful, ready-made blog designs. All you need to do is pick one, install it, and replace the content with your own. No coding. No stress. Astra also works perfectly with page builders like Elementor and Gutenberg, so customizing your blog's layout and colors is super easy, even if you're a complete beginner. If you're just starting out and want a clean, professional blog without the hassle, Astra should be high on your list. Number 2. Cadence. Cadence is quickly becoming a favorite among bloggers and WordPress designers alike, and it's easy to see why. It combines speed with a very high level of customization. From typography and color settings to layout controls, Cadence gives you full creative control, all within an intuitive and beginner-friendly interface. One feature I love about Cadence is its header and footer builder. You can literally drag and drop elements like logos, menus, and social icons to build your own header design. It's mobile responsive by default, and the live preview feature makes editing feel smooth and modern. Cadence is built to work with the WordPress block editor, so if you're using Gutenberg, it's a perfect match. If you want a blog theme that's stylish, flexible, and doesn't require a premium upgrade to look good, Cadence is a powerful option. Third on the list is GeneratePress. This theme is all about performance. If you care about speed, clean code, and accessibility, then GeneratePress might just be your perfect match. It's incredibly lightweight, the entire theme is under 30 kilobytes, which makes it one of the fastest themes out there. Now, GeneratePress doesn't come with flashy demos or fancy animations, but that's by design. It's meant to be clean, minimalist, and functional. And honestly, that's what a lot of successful blogs need. It gives you the freedom to build your layout from scratch or use simple blog templates with optimized design. Even in its free version, GeneratePress gives you control over layout options like sidebars, padding, container width, and typography settings. The best part? It plays very well with all major page builders, and it's SEO ready out of the box. If you're a blogger who wants simplicity and speed without sacrificing functionality, GeneratePress is an excellent choice. Now let's take a look at the fourth theme, which is Bloxy. This one is a hidden gem and honestly one of the most underrated free themes right now. Bloxy is built with modern design principles in mind. It's fast, Gutenberg ready, and has some really cool built-in features that are rare in free themes. What really sets Bloxy apart is its visual customizer. You can change the layout, typography, spacing, and even add animations, all while seeing the changes live. Bloxy also comes with multiple blog layout options, and yes, it includes a dark mode feature even in the free version, which is a nice touch if you want to give your readers a more stylish, modern experience. It's also great for bloggers who like magazine-style layouts, with multiple posts visible on the homepage and dynamic content sections. Bloxy supports WooCommerce too, so if you ever want to sell products or digital downloads through your blog, you can do that easily without changing your theme. Last but definitely not least, we have Neve. Neve is another lightweight and highly versatile theme that's perfect for bloggers. It loads extremely fast, we're talking under 1 second, and it's mobile first, which means it looks and works beautifully on smartphones and tablets. What I love about Neve is how beginner-friendly it is. The setup wizard helps you choose and import a starter site within minutes, so your blog can go from zero to launch quickly. It works seamlessly with popular page builders like Elementor, Beaver Builder, Breezy, and even the native Gutenberg editor. Neve is also AMP compatible, which means your blog posts will load instantly on mobile devices, great for SEO and mobile readers. If you want a modern-looking blog that's lightweight and flexible without touching any code, Neve is definitely worth a try.